Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create corporate data visualization dashboards step by step clearly. Begin by defining the purpose of your dashboard. Identify the specific data metrics that matter most to your organization. Gather the necessary data from credible sources. Ensure your data is clean and well organized, removing any inaccuracies or duplicates. Select the right dashboard creation tool that suits your needs. Popular tools include Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio. Create a new project within your chosen tool. Import your clean data into the dashboard tool. Explore the various visualization options available, such as bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts. Choose the visualizations that best represent your data insights. Arrange the visualizations in a logical flow for easy interpretation. Use clear and concise labels for each chart and graph. Incorporate color coding to highlight key performance indicators. Add filters or interactive elements to enhance user experience. Ensure your dashboard is responsive and accessible on different devices. Conduct user testing with stakeholders to gather feedback. Make necessary adjustments based on the insights from your testing. Finalize the dashboard layout and visual design for a professional appearance. Share the dashboard with relevant team members for collaboration. Provide necessary documentation on how to interpret and use the dashboard's features. Regularly update the dashboard as new data becomes available. Monitor user engagement and seek ongoing feedback for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.